Hello and welcome to this program. In this program, we are going to talk about Python programming in detail from basics till advanced. I guarantee you that you will learn Python with ease from this particular program. This program is a unique program. Here, we will create a WhatsApp group where you guys will join, and after that, we will have a monthly webinars for you guys where we will discuss about the open doubts which you have during this entire curriculum. This curriculum consists of each and every basic concepts till advanced concepts like OOPS concept, file handling, exception handling, and so on. We are going to talk about NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn as well, which are like detailed libraries for data science. This is an amazing program where you will able to learn each and everything with confidence. I am Rahul Tiwari with 14 plus years of industry experience. I work for companies like Accenture, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, and Deloitte. I am here to help you guys to learn this programming language, which is an amazing programming language with great understanding. So hope to see you in the course. Till then, happy analyzing and take care.